With the divine blessings and inspiration of our Indian yogis and gurus, Sri Satyananda Thakur, Sri Archana Puri Ma, Sri Satyananda Mahapeeth organizes Soham 2020, a conclave of wellness and longevity. International Symposium on Yoga, Ayurveda and other streams of Ayush. The aim of Soham 2020 is to restore and spread the awareness about Ayush, to reintroduce the Indian spiritual wisdom and yogic way of life, to integrate yoga and other alternative therapies, to integrate Indian wisdom to modern day medical research and to harmonize spiritual and material aspects. Why Soham? The world is covered with clouds of mistrust. The whole world is burning with the fire of violence. Confidence has gone from each other. Our patience is lost. Yogis have shown us the path through the light of the mindless people in search of concentration. Even today, the Shanti Yogya of this turbulent world is going on at Satyananda Mahapeeth.
ज्योतिर्मयं नित्यमानन्दमूर्तिं करुणावतारं प्रेमपुरुषं सत्यानन्दरूपं नियतं नमामः। स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतार वरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते
What is Satyananda
नमः।
Mahapeeth?
এটা আমাদের এই যে মহাপীঠের প্রকল্প, এটা 200 একর জমির উপর পরিকল্পিত, কিন্তু সেই পরিকল্পনার বহু ডাইমেনশন আছে, মাল্টি ডাইমেনশনাল প্রজেক্ট এটা। সেখানে এডুকেশন মেইন হলেও এডুকেশনের যে মূল সুর সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের যে ঋষি প্রজ্ঞা, ঋষিরা যা দিয়ে গেছেন আমাদের, সেগুলো আসে কোত্থেকে? শাস্ত্র থেকে এবং মহাপুরুষদের জীবনী থেকে। ঋষিমণিদের সমস্ত যে প্রজ্ঞা, সেগুলোকে যদি আমরা নিয়ে আসি এক জায়গায়, তাহলে আমি সেগুলোর রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভ হিসেবে একটা মন্দির তৈরি করবো আগে। সেটা হবে সমস্ত মহাপীঠের প্রকল্পের 200 একরের কেন্দ্রস্থল। ওই কেন্দ্রে যেখানে বিরাট মন্দির হবে, এখানে হিন্দু ধর্মটা এমন যে বহু সম্প্রদায়ে বিভক্ত, তো তাদের একটা প্রতিনিধিত্বমূলক মন্দির হবে। সারা দেশে সমস্ত প্রদেশে যা কিছু ভালো জিনিস আছে তার একটা সমন্বয় বা সমাবেশ হবে এখানে। সেইটার থেকে যে বিরাট মন্দিরটা হবে, এখান থেকে আমরা আবার শাস্ত্রজ্ঞান এবং আমাদের প্রাচীন ঋষিমুনিদের যে প্রজ্ঞা, সেটাকে নিয়ে আসতে পারবো শিক্ষা ক্ষেত্রে, সংস্কৃতির ক্ষেত্রে, বিভিন্নভাবে মানুষের চরিত্র নির্মাণের ক্ষেত্রে। আর দেশে বিদেশে ভারতবর্ষকে জানতে গেলে এইখান থেকেই তাকে জানতে হবে, আলোটা এখান থেকেই সে পাবে। তো সেই মন্দিরের ভিত্তি কলস যেটা, সেটা আমরা পূজনীয়া শ্রী অর্চনা পুরী মায়ের হাত দিয়ে স্থাপিত করেছি। এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের পুরো প্রকল্পের একদম কেন্দ্রস্থল, ঠিক মাঝামাঝি। সেখানে আমরা একটা গম্বুজ করে রেখেছি। ওইটা হয়েছিল 2011 সালে। তো পূজনীয়া মায়ের যে কৃপা বা আশীর্বাদ, সেটা আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছে। মা হচ্ছেন ঠাকুর সত্যানন্দের মানসকন্যা। ঠাকুর সত্যানন্দ চেয়েছিলেন যে এইভাবে সমস্ত কিছু যেন সংস্কৃত ভাষা, শাস্ত্র, মুনি ঋষির প্রজ্ঞা, ভারতবর্ষের মহাপুরুষদের ইতিহাস, এগুলো যেন শিক্ষার মধ্যে আসে, তার চরিত্র নির্মাণ হবে। সেই জন্য আমরা মন্দিরটাকে কেন্দ্রবিন্দু করে, এটা কোনো খালি যে পুজো আর্চা বা কোনো একটা সংকীর্ণতা সেটা নেই এখানে। ওখান থেকে আমরা জ্ঞানের আলোটা নেব, সেই আলো বিভিন্ন ফিল্ডে ছড়িয়ে পড়বে।
World peace will come through spiritual education. For spiritual education, you have to know yourself, how to control your soul. Only yoga can help you to understand this. Bengal have so many popular yogis like Kapil Muni, who is the founder of Shankhadarshan. After that, Maharshi Patanjali, the father of modern yoga, assembled all kind of yoga in Yoga Sutra. He assimilated more than 1800 different types of yogas into a little over 200 Yoga Sutras and made it into Ashtanga Yoga, that is the 8 limbs of yoga. Everything falls into these 8 things. In the time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Bengal was one of the center of many Shaktipeeth like Tarapeeth, Nolhati were the center of Tantra Yoga. Some famous temples like Hanseshwari, Bakreshwar, etc. are the important center of Hatha Yoga. Mahavatar Babaji's follower Shyama Charan Lahiri, better known as Lahiri Baba, popularized Kriya Yoga. The following yogi like Swami Yogananda and Rishi Aurobindo were very popular. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore followed his father Maharshi Devendranath Tagore's style of yoga and established Vishwa Bharati, that is Shanti Niketan, an abode of peace. The founder of Bharat Sevashram Sangha, Swami Pranavananda, a Karma Yogi, was the disciple of Yogi Gambhirnath from Gorakhpur and established its head office in Kolkata. The most powerful yogis in recent time in Bengal was Ramakrishna Paramahansa and his world-famous disciple Swami Vivekananda, who established Belur Math as an international center of all yoga culture. Swami Vivekananda's Guru Bhai, Swami Abhedananda, formed Ramakrishna Vedanta Society. Sri Thakur Satyananda was a disciple of Swami Abhedananda, who converted his own house into Sri Ramakrishna Ashram. Within a year, 200 of disciples took shelter under his feet. Many of them renounced worldly life, and Sangha emerged with about 100 sannyasis and sannyasinis. Various religious, educational, cultural and charitable activities were started. Sri Thakur Satyananda had deep sympathy towards the downtrodden people in the society, especially in villages. He gave them spiritual initiation, allowed them to enter into the temples and offer worship, and also initiated the deserving one to Brahmacharya and Sannyas, who become Ashramites with equal status. Inspired by Sri Thakur Satyananda, his Manas Kanya, Sannyasini Sri Archana Purima, also devotes her life for human welfare. Since 9 are established to render service to needy people of the locality. Charity to the poor is done in various possible ways. Vocational Training Center for Self-Employment and Income-Generating Activities has been started. The focus is on producing skilled labor and training the village youth and women in various streams like tailoring, beautician course, Archana Purima. Sri Archana Purima is the Manas Kanya, adopted daughter of Sri Thakur Satyananda. Holy Mother's life has been that of an ideal sannyasini whose life is totally submitted at the altar of her Guru, Sri Thakur. In the year 1992, Sri Archana Purima founded Sri Satyananda Mahapeeth. Both the institutions aim at spreading of the ideology and philosophy of Sri Thakur for attaining better life. Sri Archana Purima had devoted herself towards making Sri Satyananda Mahapeeth a mammoth dream project into reality. Sri Satyananda Mahapeeth provides Sanskrit education. Vidyalaya cum Chhatravas is also under construction. The Sanskrit Gurukul has been started with a target of 40 students and 5 acharyas on residential basis. The hospital is being run with general medicine, gynecology, pediatric, eye department and outdoor section for common diseases. At least 200 patients are being served daily. About 15 villages with 50,000 people are covered. The first phase of building has already been completed. There has also been a setup of pathological test lab. The hospital has a homeopathy section which also serves at least 50 patients daily. 70 low-cost shelters for homeless poor people have been constructed on own land of Mahapeeth through the help of Rotary Club. These units have been handed over to homeless poor people in the year 2005. Sri Satyananda Mahapeeth have installed more than 30 deep tube wells in area from time to time, which cater potable drinking water to Sri Satyananda Mahapeeth have their own agricultural land where the cultivation of traditional farming. By the inspiration of the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamta Banerjee, the first medical council for yoga and naturopathy, West Bengal Council of Yoga and Naturopathy was constituted with a vision for good health, empowered Bengal under her able leadership. Bengal has a great legacy of yoga and naturopathy since long. Mr. Universe, Monotosh Roy, Swami Shivananda Saraswati, Iron Man Neel Muni Dash, Vyamacharya Vishnu Charan Ghosh, who practices this great ancient wisdom for health and healing, to continue this pioneership of yoga. Our beloved Chief Minister gave great emphasis in constituting this scientific medical council. For the development, promotion and progression of yogi medical science and naturopathy, we are going through the following activities. By the inspiration of our Honorable Chief Minister, the construction work of a degree college for Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Science is on process at the historical place of Bir Yogi Sannyasi Swami Vivekananda in the campus of State General Hospital, Belur, Howrah. 1-year Yoga and Naturopathy training course affiliated by West Bengal Council of Yoga and Naturopathy has been started and is run by expert doctors. Residential package of Yogic and Vedic lifestyle program has also been started at Mahapeeth premises. The project outline includes a large temple representing varied sects of Hindu Dharma, university, Gurukul-based schools, students' hostel, cultural center, hospital, centers for yoga and Ayurveda and alternative medicines, cattle rearing departments, etc. The main objectives of this project is to establish an educational institution based on the truth emerging out of the sacrifice and spiritual experience based on wisdom of Indian seers, sages and intellectuals. Their successful application according to the needs of the modern era. Beside educational courses of yoga therapy, Sri Satyananda Devayatan is also running a yoga therapy treatment unit from 2011, organized by Awareness Yogi Science and Research Foundation at the premises of Satyananda Devayatan Yoga Center, Jadavpur. Here, scientific applications of yoga therapy are given to every individual according to their specific ailments by registered yoga and naturopathy physicians. The aim of the Mahapeeth is to spread Indian philosophy, Indian art and culture, traditional system of Ayurveda, yoga and naturopathy, to spread the system of Ayush and to make people aware regarding Vedic lifestyle and to establish a balance between material